Christmas may be over and it's time to pack away those decorations, but for one man, winter is eternal. It's Saturday the 3rd of January today, and my intention was always to record this video, and would you believe it's actually snowing on the day that I review the Mr Freeze Snowglobe. Now this is a piece that's been on my grail list for some time now. It's the DC Direct Mr Freeze Snowglobe from 2002. This is limited to just 1,100 pieces, which makes it quite rare. It's sculpted by Sam Greenwell and measures just over 7 inches tall. On the back of the box we have a write-up which reads, "Drenched in cryogenic fluid, Dr. Victor Freeze was rendered unable to live outside sub-zero temperatures. Now protected by a special suit and armoured with a freeze gun, he begins his reign of terror as Mr. Freeze, scourge of Gotham City and one of Batman and Robin's deadliest foes." And here it is outside of the packaging, and as you can see here, I think one of my favourite features of this is definitely the base. It features both Batman and Robin frozen solid at the hands of Mr. Freeze. The sculpt work and detail and also the paint apps are all fantastic. As we spin it around, you can see on the backside here, we then have the boy wonder, Robin. As I mentioned earlier, this piece has been on my list to get for a long time, but very rarely does it come up in the UK. I actually got this one overseas from the US. I kept my fingers crossed that I wouldn't get hit with any customs, and luckily I didn't. To be fair, even if I did, I got this for such a good price compared to what it would normally go for in the UK, so I didn't really mind and I thought I'd take the gamble. Just the design idea of this is absolutely fantastic and makes perfect sense, seeing as Mr. Freeze is often depicted with a snow globe in Batman the Animated Series. I'm definitely glad I got this, and I'm now going to add it to the collection alongside some of the other Mr. Freeze Animated Series pieces. We have the DC Collectibles figure, the Mondo 1/6 scale figure, and artwork from Bottleneck Gallery and artist Sam Gilby from the animated movie Sub-Zero. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of my lifelong collection of Batman.